Now remember back at the beginning when I told you I'd done the math? I want 10 squares across and 5 squares down, but we're going to start with the 5 by 5 first because the other 5 by 5 is just a duplicate of the original. So I told you to make that 210. If you didn't make that 210, this next part is not going to work. So with that selected, I've got the selection tool. I selected that square. I'm going to hit return. And that brings up the move dialog box. You can bring this up by accident all the time. You might be going, what the hell is this? And I'm going to type 230, which is 210 plus 20. Hit tab, type 0, hit tab again. Make sure preview is on and click copy. Not OK, copy. And then I want to do this 3 more times, so I'm going to hold down Command and hit D. 1, 2, 3 times. Now I have 5 squares, perfectly spaced, 20 pixels apart. Perfect. I want to put each of these letters into these 5 squares exactly in the center. How do you do that? Well, you do it with the Align panel. And I want you guys to understand that the Align panel right there, and again, really important that when you open up the Align panel, Window Align, when you open it up, you got this bottom part. But the cool thing is, what we're going to do is align to key object, but we don't have to tell Illustrator this because Illustrator knows because of what we're going to do next. I want this E inside of this box. And if I click on this box, the E is no longer selected. So I'm going to click on the E and shift click on this box. Now, if I want to align this E to this box without this box moving, I'm not holding down any modifier keys. I just click one more time. And notice how this got a big red outline. Illustrator says, oh my goodness, he must be aligning to a key object. So now, when I, in either this or up here, when I click on center, that E moves over, the box does not move. And when I vertically align it, it pops directly in there. You get where this is going, right? Shift, let go of shift, click, align, align. Click, shift click, click, align, align. Click, shift click, let go of shift, click, click. Boom, it's magical, isn't it? How easy this is. You just dropped all of these in there perfectly. Of course, it's not perfect because the little gap in the E and this tucked part of the R creates a mathematical center, but not visual center. And we could fix this right now, but that would prevent me from showing you something really, really cool later on. And I'm not going to do that. But I will show you one more cool thing here. I'm going to click and highlight these 5, hit return, and this time 0 horizontal, 230 vertical, hit tab one more time, click copy, don't click OK, Command D, Command D, Command D. We got one problem. This says E, I want this to say Earth, and this to say Earth. And then this over here is going to say heart. Get it? Now, can we do that? And this is going to say heart. And can we do it smartly using symbols and replace symbol? Coming up next.